So let us see a problem on unsymmetrical fault analysis. A generator of negligible resistance having 1 per unit voltage behind the transient reactance is subjected to different types of faults. The different faults and their corresponding fault currents are tabulated here. If a three-phase fault occurs, the corresponding fault current is 3.33 per unit. Corresponding to LL fault, the fault current is 2.23 per unit, and corresponding to LG fault, the fault current is 3.01 per unit. Calculate the per unit values of the three sequence reactances. So let us consider the case of three-phase fault first. So fault current in case of a three-phase fault is given. So we know the equation for calculating the fault current in case of a three-phase fault. So consider three-phase fault. For three-phase fault, the fault current IF will be equal to ETH divided by XTH. Okay. That is Thevenin equivalent voltage divided by Thevenin equivalent impedance as seen from the fault point. The equivalent reactance as seen from the fault point. So here ETH, the voltage is given as 1 per unit in the question itself. So we can calculate this as 1 angle 0 divided by XTH is the Thevenin equivalent voltage of the system, and in the reactance diagram, in case of symmetrical fault analysis, you are calculating XTH from the reactance diagram, and in the reactance diagram, all the reactances are the positive sequence reactances X1. So this will be X1, JX1. Now, here only the magnitude of the fault currents are given. So we have to consider the magnitudes only. So magnitude of fault current IF, magnitude of IF is equal to 1 divided by X1. So 1 angle 0, we have to calculate consider the magnitude only. For JX1, magnitude is X1. So 1 by X1, and it is given as 3.33 per unit. So X1 will be 1 divided by 3.33. And on calculating this, we will get the value of positive sequence reactance X1 as 0.3 per unit. Okay. So now let us consider the case of line-to-line fault, LL fault. So for LL fault, the equation for fault current is IF is equal to minus J root 3 EA divided by JX1 plus JX2. Okay. So plus a term is also there, that is JXF, fault impedance. But here we are not considering the fault impedance. So this will be the equation, but we need the magnitude only, that is magnitude of IF. So the magnitude of this term will be minus J. When taking the magnitude, minus J we will not consider the term minus J. So numerator is root 3 EA divided by X1 plus X2. That is root 3 into EA is 1 divided by X1 plus X2. X1 we got it as 0.3 plus X2. It's the magnitude of fault current, and it is given as 2.23 per unit. So we can calculate the value of X2 from this equation. On solving this equation, we will get the value of X2, and X2 is equal to 0.4767 per unit. 0.4767 per unit. Okay. Now let us calculate the zero sequence current X0, zero sequence reactance X0, and for that we are considering the condition of single line to ground fault. The corresponding fault current is 3.01 per unit. Okay. So let us consider the single line to ground fault, LG fault. So for LG fault, equation for fault current. For the LG fault, equation for fault current is IF is equal to 3 times EA divided by Jx1 plus Jx2 plus Jx0, and magnitude of fault current IF will be equal to 3 times EA divided by x1 plus x2 plus x0, and it is given as 3.01 per unit. So we will get x1 plus x2 plus x0 as 3 divided by 3 into A is 1, 3 into 1 divided by 3.01, and this will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x0 is equal to 0.3322. And we know the value of x1 and x2. So x0 will be equal to 0.3322 minus x1 minus x2, and substituting the value of x1 and x2, we will get the value of x0 as 0.22 per unit. So thus we got all the sequence reactances, the positive, negative and zero sequence reactances.